Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to keep uploading motors. I've got a row of engines behind me that are going to get ran up. If you guys want to be the first to see them, go ahead and subscribe. What we got for sale today is a 2019 T50 Yamaha. This is a pontoon engine. It's a high thrust, 20-inch remote. Compression came back at 200 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Has a total of 143 hours on it. Comes with the prop that's on it, new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil. This one will come with a new OEM control box, and the price will be listed on Craigslist, Facebook. I kind of list them everywhere that I can. We'll go ahead and fire this up. Got good water coming out on this side. Put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Tilt and trim's working good. Shut it off. Fire it back up. Back to neutral. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Once these motors are sold, I do put sold at the end of the listing. I leave them on there just to prove we're established, everything like that. Some of you guys have been following us for quite a while, and we appreciate it. Thank you guys, and have a great day.